Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 21 of the 31 days of Halloween challenge, and my work just threw this project at me. My district manager was like, hey, Halloween queen, do you want to do this before you go on vacation in a day or so? And I'm like, what's this project all about? This beautiful felt bag. I'm gonna show you how to make this felt bag, but I will tell you something in advance. I didn't like doing it only because I've learned my machine hates medium weight felt. If I didn't realize about it last year, I'm realizing it now. Also, it's two-sided. Yeah, it's my face pretty much every morning. So this took me a couple of hours to do because I almost had a crying fit because I thought my machine broke. It's actually relatively easy. Now I want to say if I could change this part, I have to put more glue, but if I could change anything off of this, I would do lightweight felt. But other than that, it's pretty awesome. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. You're gonna need to cut one white and one orange 18 by 15 inch squares of medium weight felt, and then customize your face cutouts, the eyes and the mouth. And if you want to add a nose for the pumpkin, go ahead. You are also going to need to cut out one white and one orange 16.5 inches in length, an inch in width. And you're going to cut up 2 strips of reflective tape, but that is completely optional. So I don't know how much pleather I'm supposed to cut for the bottom, but I kind of just did a rough measurement of 3 inches, and then how to do a box bottom, so it's pretty simple enough. You're also going to need a glue gun and some sticks. First, we're going to center the reflector tape on either the white or the orange strap, and we are going to stitch down on the side of the reflector strip. Regardless of how wide your pleather piece is, and we're going to stitch on the long side of your rectangle piece. Do this on both pieces. Turn your pleather piece facing right, and we're going to top stitch. Do this on both pieces. With the right sides together, stitch 1/2 inch on the side seams of the bag. At the bottom of your bag, center the seam at the folded part of the pleather. When doing this, make sure you switch your needles to either denim so that it can actually pierce through all the layers. My machine can't do it. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my machine could not be doing all these layers. These are very, very thick layers, and my machine obviously cannot handle it. It can do a single or maybe a double layer, but that's it. 3 layers and it's done. I almost thought I broke my machine earlier during this round. It got so difficult to do it that I quit using my machine, and sadly I hand basted it, so now like my hand's freaking killing me. I would not recommend using vinyl. Maybe like clear vinyl will be better, but definitely not thick vinyl for this project. Oh yeah, by the way, you can turn it inside out to see how it looks when standing up. Also, I'd like to point out again, I just estimated how wide I want my pleather pieces, and 3 inches, I guess that's not good enough, so oh well. fold down the opening on the inside 1/2 inch, so get ready to top stitch. For placements of the strap, I just did like maybe 1 inch away from the side seam on both sides of the bags, and then we're just gonna stitch on top of it. Grab your glue gun and those little face pieces you cut out for the bag and start hot gluing them onto the felt. Placement, I just followed whatever the picture looked like. It's a free-for-all at this point for you. Well, that is it, guys, on how I made this Halloween themed felt bag. I had fun making it. If I could change anything of this, I would say lightweight felt could just be as good. And I wish my work would provide dimensions, better dimensions for the pleather part. I kind of had to guess on how wide I wanted it and the placement it wanted me to do. I don't know. That's the only thing I would say about this, but if you guys like this video on how I made my Halloween themed felt bag that is like double-sided, please give this video a nice like, and if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see further content I will be doing for the rest of October, even though there's only 10 days left. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.